Hello and welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Today we're talking about default connector join behavior. Whenever you join two connectors in Pointwise, how those connectors behave can change depending upon some settings we have in our defaults menu. To see those, we can click the Defaults tab, and they're right here when joining connectors. The first option, and this is the default behavior, is to keep breakpoints. So I have 6 connectors here that I'll show these options on. If I select these two connectors, I can go to Edit, Join, and now it's one connector. But it kept a breakpoint. I can see this because if I select the connector, the Delete Breakpoints button is active on the toolbar, or I can go to Grid, Distribute, and click Breakpoints and see that there's a breakpoint there. If I don't want to keep breakpoints, I can uncheck this, but this will keep the distribution. This means the points will stay where they are currently located. If I select these two connectors and go to Edit, Join, notice all of the grid points stayed at their specific location. Now this connector has a distribution type of General. If I don't want to keep this distribution, and I want the points to be dispersed along the two connectors, I can uncheck Keep Distribution. Now I can select these two connectors, Edit, Join, and you see that the points redistributed along the connector according to the current distribution function. I can verify this by going to Grid, Distribute, and see that it currently has a hyperbolic tangent function. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.